The International Day of Happiness is celebrated throughout the world on the 20th of March. It was established by the United Nations General Assembly on 28 June 2012. Happiness on a personal level can make any day better and can add great value to your life. However, what if happiness was applied on a global scale? How would that change the way the economy works or how society feels? International Day of Happiness is a kind of holiday that aims to see happiness on the global scale, encouraging others to spread happiness big and small and make radical changes to the way people view the world. International Day of Happiness has a huge global history regarding its creation and founding. It was introduced by advisor Jamie Allen, CEO of the United Nations New Economic Paradigm Project and founder of Happitalism. The General Assembly of the United Nations agreed with this idea and proclaimed this day as International Day of Happiness back in July of 2012. According to the United Nations, this holiday recognizes the relevance of happiness as being an essential part of universal goals and aspirations when it comes to public policy. And how to celebrate an International Day of Happiness? It is celebrated by sharing what makes you happy. You can donate to charity of your choice that promotes good deeds or share some social tools and resources from non-profit organizations and teach about happiness in your local school. Other way to reach out this through social media. It is a powerful tool for the holiday because it can spread the word about all activity in the world within seconds. And here are a few ideas for how you can celebrate the International Day of Happiness. Read a book. Treat yourself to a coffee upgrade. Make a date with your friend. And get body movement. Choose a happier impact area like volunteering, quality time, laughing, and make a small meaningful conversations. Be happy, make happy, and spread happy. Sparrows are beautiful birds with smooth round head and rounded wings. They have beautiful voices. Their chirping and singing sound heard all over. A special day is dedicated to these beautiful birds, known as World Sparrow Day. Every year, March 20 is observed as World Sparrow Day to raise awareness about the bird. The diminutive house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is perhaps one of the earliest birds you can remember from your childhood. Their nests dotted almost every house in the neighborhood as well as public places like bus bays and railway stations. When they lived in colonies and survived on food grains and tiny worms, many bird watchers and ornithologists recall with fondness how the house sparrow gave voice to their passion for observing birds. The association between humans and the house sparrow dates back to several centuries, and no other birds has been associated with humans on a daily basis like the house sparrow. On 20 March, World Sparrow Day is observed every year to raise awareness. We hope that on this day, various government agencies, scientific communities would come up with a measure to save them. In this way, we will be able to save biodiversity also. It is necessary to find out the reason why our oldest companions are on the verge of extinction.